Today's a big day. We're going to get out and test a whole lot of brand new avionics in our V-tail Bonanza. Just trying to get familiar with what's going to happen. We're going to shoot full approaches. We're going to test the 750 out, the Garmin 750 355 combo. We've got a GFC 500 in here, which is a very common install, obviously. And we did not go with G5s. We've got one G5 in this airplane, but we went with a G3X. We're going to get familiar with what happens. I've upgraded two planes, panels that I've owned over the last couple of years, and getting used to what the autopilot's going to do, which usually comes down to user error when it won't do what you want it to do. But we're going to go get in some thin IMC. This is sort of in and out of clouds. It's not even probably 1,000-foot layer. It's going to put us in and out, which is good. And right along, we're going to test this thing out in all kinds of ways using ILS, RNAV, and VOR.
Bonanza 4 Foxtrot Hotel, making ground clear to Greenville Majors Airport via radar vectors to Tris, and then direct on departure, fly runway heading, maintain 3,000, expect 4,000 within 10 minutes, departure frequency 124.3, squawk 5202.
Alright, 4 Foxtrot Hotel is clear to the Greenville Major Airport on departure, radar vectors, and then to Tris, runway, radar vectors to Tris, runway heading, climb 3,000, expect 4 and 10, 124.3 and 5202.
Bonanza 4 Foxtrot Hotel, read back correct. Cessna 4102 Foxtrot, runway 36, shorten, clear for takeoff.
This is really an exciting day for us. This is a 16-month project that's coming to an end. We've totally updated that panel. We put a brand new IO 550,
Garmin
and then we redid all the interior in this airplane. We are really just getting familiar with it again, and then getting familiar with this set of electronics. Large investment, but well worth it.
Hey, there's your traffic call.
I know it. It did not give that to me the other day.
2 Foxtrot Delta, you're passing traffic off to your right. You can proceed on course.
Runway in front of us, you're coming.
Traffic at sight. Proceed on course. 522 Foxtrot Delta.
Cessna 82 Yankee, your traffic is heading to your right about a mile final.
What you see me doing there is the 355. We've set it up to just track the traffic. We're navigating off the 750 on top of it on the right-hand side. And then Jacob's run the electronic checklist on the 3X on the right on a split screen. It's nice. There's a lot of information available at all times to you.
Alrighty, autopilot's on.
Approach November 4 Foxtrot Hotel, just off McKinney, passing through 2300. 1300.
Number 4 Foxtrot Hotel, departure radar contact. Climb maintain 4,000.
Climb maintain 4,000 for Foxtrot Hotel.
Ready to get some instrument time in?
I am. We're going.
1,000 AGO pulling the power back.
Now, we always try to do cockpit resource management. One of us is running the radios while the other's flying the airplane. Really helps split the load. Tell me in the comments if y'all do that too, but Dallas is busy airspace.
Hey.
But they've always historically been pretty reasonable.
Golly, you got a lot of gas on here.
So we got to fly to Austin tomorrow, but I don't want to fill up, and I just feel bad asking you for. Give me 10 gallons.
What?
Because we'll piss away probably 20 here, and then we would land in Austin like 30, which to me feels a little low.
First, that was 5544. We're at 9,000.
Bear with me, I'm looking.
5,000 with whiskey.
Really? They don't have the damn fuel over there?
479 at Greenville. I'm fine with Greenville.
I'm fine with Greenville too. I was just looking at that and wondering.
What we could do is go to Greenville, shoot the mist, choose a different approach, do the whole approach.
Number 4 Foxtrot Hotel, turn right heading 130.
Turn right 130 for Foxtrot Hotel.
Star Southwest 5544 out of 8,400, descending 5,000 with whiskey.
Southwest 5544,
Self-serve there.
Maintain altitude, maintain 6,000. Opposite direction traffic is 1 o'clock, 10 miles west on, 4,900 indicated. I'm not sure what he's doing there.
Copy, we're in the descent down to 6,000 now, Southwest 5544.
Wait a minute.
Southwest 5544, did you have a requested runway?
1,000 to go.
We'll take 13 left if it's available.
Southwest 5544, put in your request.
So there's an audible warning when you get to 1,000 feet from your altitude, in this case 4,000 feet, and then at 200 feet it'll beep at you again, letting you know that you're close where you don't run through it. Now, on the autopilot, it should level on its own, and it will if you're doing it right. The main thing is there on the left, you're not going to be able to see this on the monitor, but if it's white, it's seeking it. If it's green, it's locked into it. You just got to pay attention. While it's flying the plane, you've got to monitor the whole thing. It takes a lot of workload off of you. Sure is great because anybody that flies a Bonanza knows keeping that engine cool is a big deal, and that lets you look at that engine monitor a lot more.
Southwest 2980, traffic in a factor, descend and maintain 4,000.
Oh, 4,000. That's 2980.
Okay, so
200
ILS,
feet to go.
I'll pick the Zulu. I'm assuming we're going vectors.
So I would always add, click vectors.
Number 4 Foxtrot Hotel, so direct Tris.
So direct to Tris for Foxtrot Hotel.
Number 3 Romeo Mike, flighting 235.
You want to reverse that or not?
235, 3 Romeo Mike.
Well, I'd like to see how it does.
2980, turn right heading 160.
Okay, we're going to do that.
160, so 2980.
I'm going to load that. Now I need to go direct Trist. It was already direct Trist, wasn't it? Alright. There we go, in and out.
Time for Southwest 5544.
Oh, we are good to go direct to us.
Yep.
Southwest 5544, roger. I'll lower on the other side of him. This is 5,000, seem like a good altitude on him.
Yeah, he's at 5,000 and we're clear of that traffic now. It looks like a twin engine beach or something.
Okay, thanks. Southwest 5544, descend and maintain 4,000, turn right heading 120.
Right, 120 down to 4,000, Southwest 5544.
Southwest 2980, contact approach 123.9er.
23.9er, Southwest 2980.
Alright, what am I at? 6 miles from outer range there.
593 Victor Foxtrot, just off 16, runway heading 1.3.
In your
Number
charts
593
over
Victor
there.
Foxtrot, departure, radar
I
contact.
should make sure I did all of these.
Maintain 2,000.
Make sure
Maintain 2,003 Victor Foxtrot.
Okay, cool.
Southwest approach, RV2 on Mike Delta.
I'm in, that's up.
Mike Delta, standby.
Closed.
So, doing it.
Number 3 Romeo Mike. Sorry, 3 Romeo Mike, did you have a requested runway?
What were the winds?
13 left.
Greenville. We took off.
They're
Three
ready.
Romeo Mike, I'll put in your request. It will be up to the next controller, so she'll let you know.
Roger.
Number 3 Papa Mike, descend and maintain 6,000.
Come on, we need a
5 knots, 240.
Oh, okay. So
240 at 5. So,
Number 3 Victor Foxtrot, climb maintain 3,000, turn right heading
so
190.
one favors 17.
190 up to 3,000, 3 Victor Foxtrot.
It's 3, 4 knot crosswind, all good. But we want to shoot.
Well, the GoPro failed, but we'll pick it up off the 360 doing a time lapse. And we went in and shot 2 approaches there at Greenville, getting used to it, going all the way out and doing the published holes. This is easily the best money I've ever spent on an airplane. Like I say, it's my second panel build, but single pilot IFR is real easy in this. You're doing a lot of monitoring and riding along. Complacency is a killer, though. I mean, you need to be out flying some hand approaches and hand flying the airplane, but today we were just here to test the autopilot. The next day we went on down to San Antonio to pick the jet up. Autopilot failed, the 3-dimensional horizon failed, had to hand fly home on the virtual 6-pack. Links in the description, ride along.